Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
The weather has been hot.
The weather has been hot. Sentence 2.
He is around my age.
He is around my age. Sentence 3.
She is shy around me.
She is shy around me. Sentence 4.
Don't talk nonsense.
Don't talk nonsense.